The 10.26-inch wireless CarPlay and Android Auto screen provides a seamless and hands-free driving experience, allowing easy access to maps, music, and communication while keeping your focus on the road. Equipped with a crystal-clear 4K dashcam and a high-quality 1080p backup camera, this device ensures comprehensive driving visibility and enhances safety with features like night vision and wide-angle coverage. The built-in GPS navigation system offers real-time positioning and can function offline, making it a reliable guide even without a phone connection. With multiple audio output options, including a built-in speaker, FM transmission, and aux audio out, this car stereo screen can adapt to various vehicle sound systems effortlessly. Installation is a breeze with its plug-and-play design and universal compatibility, making it suitable for most cars, trucks, vans, and recreational vehicles without requiring technical skills. The sleek and adjustable mount ensures a stable and secure fit on your dashboard or windshield, maintaining screen stability even on uneven roads for a distraction-free driving experience.